I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Right-click the taskbar and choose Search, then pick Hidden. This immediately removes the long search box and keeps results accessible via Start. Do this because it reduces visual clutter and lessens accidental typing exposure. Windows still lets you press the Windows key and type to search. Once done, open Settings, right arrow Personalization, right arrow Taskbar to confirm the change, and ensure no other search icon is active, so you don't see duplicate controls. Next, refine how search appears. Open Settings and go to Personalization, right arrow Taskbar. You can switch to Show Search Icon if you prefer a compact magnifier icon instead of a box. This saves space while keeping one-click access. If you want zero assistant hints, disable Cortana via Task Manager's Startup tab or use its setting to turn it off. Once you select the icon option, make sure small taskbar buttons aren't hiding it unexpectedly, and test by clicking the icon to confirm search. Finish by confirming changes. Sign out and sign in, or restart Explorer from Task Manager to apply persistent settings. If you need deeper control, a registry key under HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /search can enforce hiding. Use caution and backup first. Make sure to explain that registry changes are irreversible without a backup, and why restarting Explorer forces the taskbar to reload. If the search box reappears, first restart Explorer. If that fails, run sfc/scanno or check for group policy overrides as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.